Ever wonder why your favorite shows and movies aren't filmed in the iconic locations you expect? Uh, maybe for decades, Los Angeles was the undisputed champion of film production, but a quiet shift is happening, and productions are packing up and leaving. Uh, uh, what's behind this Hollywood exodus? Director John Stolberg Jr. had a clear vision for the sequel to his 2023 hit Muzzle. He desperately wanted to film in Los Angeles, the natural setting for the story, uh, but reality quickly set in, and he found himself filming most of Muzzle's City of Wolves in South Africa instead. Stolberg's experience isn't unique. Um, Many indie filmmakers face the same hurdles. Uh, it all comes down to making the best possible film. Um, but LA's rising costs and complex bureaucracy are making it increasingly difficult. Uh, do that customers, eventually Kristen fees, logistical nightmares, and union fees, or right customers of means. Some claim these costs are exorbitant, effectively scaring productions away. The inability to get bonds in return adds to the frustration. The New York Times recently reported a significant decline in LA movie production. While filming outside the US isn't new, the current trend is alarming. European studios are booming while Hollywood itself struggles. Film LA data shows a decrease of over 1/3 in LA production over the last decade. And this isn't just about money, it's about practicality and creative freedom, because there's Stolberg got creative using splinter units to capture authentic LA footage. He jumped out of the car and filmed locations, trying to preserve the city's spirit. It didn't come without criticism. Some viewers misinterpreted real life scenes as staged, claiming he was portraying a false image of the city. Stolberg insists it was all genuine footage capturing the reality of LA. He's now working to seamlessly integrate this footage with the South African shot scenes. And the goal is to maintain the authenticity of the story, despite the change in location that over time, we must be filming in South Africa offered a significant advantage. More shooting days. Instead of 15 or 18 days in LA, he had 30 jackets. This allowed for a vastly improved film. The City of Wolves production found Stolberg recreating LA elements from thousands of miles away. This led to a peculiar request from the director to his local film crew. And he asked him to find the worst slums in Africa, needing a double for Los Angeles. And surprisingly, even those locations weren't bleak enough. He ended up adding tents to create the desired atmosphere. And you can hear the full interview, including insights into canine cops, on the Bastard.Root podcast. But it offers a deeper look into the challenges and creative solutions filmmakers are facing. They say filmmaking is all about illusion, but sometimes the reality is stranger than fiction. Um, it's funny, you'd think Hollywood would be the easiest place to fake a city, um, but it seems the red tape is the biggest special effect. Um, and uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks.